In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a snippet in HubSpot using their Sales Hub professional tools. This is a great way to streamline your communications and save time by crafting reusable messages. So let's dive in. To get started, head over to the trial guide in your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll find this guide will make navigating the Sales Hub much easier. With all of HubSpot's resources at your fingertips, this trial guide is essentially your roadmap to efficiency. Next, you're going to focus on the Snippets feature. Click on Snippets in your HubSpot dashboard. Snippets are short, reusable text blocks that you can whip out for emails, chat, or any communication. They keep your messaging consistent, boost productivity, and ensure you're never caught searching for the right phrases. Once you're in the Snippets section, the next step is to create your own snippet. You'll want to click on Create Snippet to open up a new form where you will define what you want this particular snippet to say. This is where the magic happens, where you get to customize the content to fit your personal or business needs. When creating your snippet, one of the first decisions is defining an internal name. Click on Internal Name. This is only visible to you and your team, so make sure it's descriptive enough for anyone using it. Think of it as labeling your canned response so it's instantly recognizable. Now it's time to input the actual snippet content. You'll do this by clicking on Snippet Text. Consider this your main message, what you most often send to clients or coworkers. Be clear, concise, and make sure it meets your regular communication standards. Finally, the last step is to save your hard work. You'll click on Save Snippet, and just like that, you have created a snippet. Saving it successfully means it's now ready for use whenever you need it, cutting down on the time you might otherwise spend writing the same piece of information repeatedly. And there you have it. The full process to create a useful snippet in HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional is complete. Remember, snippets are all about boosting efficiency, maintaining message consistency, and saving you valuable time every day. They're especially useful in customer service, sales, and marketing communications, helping you to deliver a uniform message across your interactions. By following these steps, you'll simplify your workflow, make everyday tasks more efficient, and always have your best responses ready to go. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore all the amazing features HubSpot has to offer. Until next time, happy marketing!